How's it everyone? Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a yummy zucchini bread. So this recipe has very few ingredients, very easy. So what I've got here is some dark brown sugar and some granulated sugar. Obviously flour, and the star of the show is going to be marrows, zucchini, whatever you want to call it. I've got some baking powder and bicarb in here. Some nutmeg that I'm going to grate in my tiny little grater. Beautiful free-range eggs and vanilla extract. And then the fat of choice that I'm choosing to use is melted butter, but you can go with a neutral oil like canola oil as well for this recipe. So I've grated my zucchini, I've added to the bowl, and then I'm going to start adding my wet ingredients, starting with the butter, followed by my sugars, and then to this I'm going to crack my eggs in, and vanilla extract. That's my wet ingredients that went in. What I want to do is add my spices and my bicarb and baking powder in here, so it just gives it a better chance of distributing evenly. And then lastly, the flour goes in. So you don't want to overwork your batter, just light folding until everything is just nicely incorporated. That's all the mixing that it will need. Now I've got my loaf tin that I've greased and lined with a bit of baking paper. And then for some extra crunch, just a touch more muscovado sugar on top. So this is our batter. I'm just gonna tap the tray so it distributes nice and evenly. And this guy is ready to bake. Let that baby bake. What? Okay, this baby's been baking. I'm gonna grab it out of the oven now. See how it looks. Nice and golden and crispy on the top with the sugar. Just adds a bit of an extra crunch. Can you hear that? You can let it cool completely, or if you're like me, you wanna eat it now while it's still warm. And just look at this. And that's why you use the baking paper. Looks yummy. Now I'm extra, so I'm gonna put a bit of creme fraiche, a touch of honey, not too much. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. And then we enjoy. Take a bite.